If you've just unboxed your new thermal, here's our 1-minute guide to get you started and get the most out of your device. First, charge the battery and charge it fully. Even if it says it's full, give it another couple of hours or leave it overnight. And for the first few charges, run it down to 5 or 20% before recharging it fully overnight. If you go through this process just once a year, it'll condition the battery to hold more charge and extend its lifespan. Now, while it's charging, here's a few other things you can do. Tailor the device to fit you by adjusting any straps as needed. Now turn on the device, it's this blue button here, and keeping the lens cap on, adjust the diopter till the on-screen information is pin sharp. Remove the lens cap, it cleverly stays out of the way, and familiarise yourself with the controls. Some have a long and a short press for different functions, which you'll get used to. But if you do get stuck or worry you've messed something up, you can always restore the default settings. Now, read these 2 pages in the quick start guide. There will come a time when you're out in the dark that you realise it was 2 minutes well spent. And with this that you'll find also in the box, you can connect your thermal to the Stream Vision app on your phone to check for firmware updates and control your thermal through your phone. And that's it. Now you're good to go. We've lots more 1-minute guides up here if you need them to get the most out of your thermal. And if you've any other thermal questions, send them to me, Dave, at Thomas Jacks in the comments below.